Hello viewers, welcome to Tech Team. Let's see how to change signature in Microsoft Outlook. Go to your Microsoft Outlook, then from the top left, click New Email. Now you can see I have a signature added to my Outlook. If you want to change it, go to Signature, then click Signature. Now you can see there are only one profile has been added to signature. Add a new profile. Give it a new name. Click OK. Now add a signature. You can add by text or you can upload PNG signature from your computer. Then click Insert. Now click OK. Now there are two signature profile in your Microsoft Outlook. If you want to change the signature, go to Signature and change the profile. That's all. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.